Hey guys, and welcome to another video of what's the name? Farm Factory Tycoon. And today we're gonna be doing a continuation video, but offline income. I didn't even know this was a thing.
Huh?
Look at my cash. Look at me. I'm sweating over here.
Wow! Okay!
We can claim this one. Hey, we are the first one.
Bruh.
Alright, let's go. 2 million a second. Was I that good? Was I actually that good? I guess I was. Let's reset this guy. Because why not? Oh my, we're so rich. We are actually so rich. We are so rich. 3 million a second. Get this 2 stars. What's this? I have one gem right now. Look at this, I have 1 gem. 320 million. Can you believe this? And I can buy it. Permit pending.
Huh?
What? What's this? What does that mean? Permit pending? What does that even mean? This free. Okay. What does that mean? Permit pending? Okay, we get 5 million a second and we can claim so much cash right now. Go. Run. Alright. If we just keep on spam upgrading this guy. Yes. Alright, let's go. And level 25 again. And we can reset again. Whoa, we've been resetting so much times now. Not enough cash. Have I really spent all of my cash on this? We can buy one more of these. One more of these. Auto collect in all factories for 5 minutes. 8 million a second. We've already gone up by times 4. What's this? Oh yeah. We already have 18. Own 2 factories. Oh yeah, that. Get factory 1 to reach 9 animals. What? 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 What's that? What's this? What's this guy? What? Premium. Oh, because I'm premium. Yeah. Whippy. Wait, what? No. You always go without your package, you dumb guy. There we go. Alright. Auto collect's still so far away. Okay. 145 million. Let's buy it. Finally it's maxed out. $12 million a second. So much money, I love it.
Hello, I like money.
14 million a second. What? What? Okay, that's sick. We can upgrade this guy now. 3 stars, 3 million a second. Do you want time this is? Spin the wheel time. What do you want? What do you want here? 25 diamonds. Come on. 10. Okay. Not exactly 25, but 10 is still good. Do we skip this? Yes, we do. Look at that guy.
Look at this
Look at him.
dude.
Oh no, that actually looks really cool. 3.8 billion. That's not that much now that I think of it. That's not even that much. I can get 1 billion right now. Boom. Still need to wait for that to go up though. Alright. What do we upgrade here? This guy? Or do we grind up for this or upgrade this guy? I think we can upgrade this guy. He's really OP. Oh no. We don't have cash, we're poor. Okay. 500 million and 20 million a second. In no time we'll get OP. No time, I'm telling you. 2 times productions for 2 minutes. Yes, I'm taking it. And I'm taking this too. So that was that 40 million a second with the T-Sense production. Give me. And then put this guy here. Hello? There we go. Now go. We have 2.33 billion. We just have to wait another minute and then that's gonna run out. I think we can get this guy to level 10. Can we? Yeah, we can. 13 million a second from that guy alone.
Hey, that's pretty good.
That's just OP. That's just OP. 29 million a second now. We have to get better though. This is not too good. What's the leaderboards? Is there leaderboards here? Yeah, here. Let's go. That's a donate box. What is they DJ? 1.05 DJ per second. And that's per second. Ooh, that's great. Premium free. Boop. It is so great to be premium, and it's also so great to get money. Alright, 6 billion. That's like double that we need to buy this. And boop. How comes there's a pending thingy on here, but not on here? 5 million a second! And he's just normal. 10 million. What? Okay. That's great. Let's get this guy maxed. 7 million a second. Oh no. I'm broke. I need money. Oh no, I need money. I'm so poor. 105 million. That's like, what? Okay, we are about to get 3 billion. 44 million a second. Hey guys, do you remember when this guy was the best? I do. 240 million? Yes. Do we do this? Do we? Yes, we do. I'm so poor. What do you want to buy in this video? Do you think I can get to the end of this?
No!
Why would I want this? But I'll get it. Okay. 2 billion, no. Let's do obbies again in the meanwhile.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Let's run. Whoa, we're so fast. We are actually so fast. We're Usain Bolt right now. Let's do the epic one because we're epic. Wait, no. Is this gonna help me? No, it's not.
LOL!
Do I even try? Should I even try? Because like, I feel like the booster is just like giving me a disadvantage here. I did it! Again! 3 times. What's this? Auto collect? No, I can't. I'm too poor. I can get this. Whoa, 7 billion. Oh, 10 billion. No, 11 billion. What? I'm too rich. I have 20 billion. 21 billion. 6 billion. Yeah, that's good. 44 billion. No, screw that. Spam upgrade. 700% on this guy. Let's just take time to appreciate how OP this guy is. I'm so poor. 8 diamonds, just like that. Get 1 factory to reach 9 animals. Oh, so like 9 of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7. Is that good? No. What do we buy here? We're so poor. We need more money. We've barely progressed. We've maxed out like 1 person. Come on. We need more. We need more. Gimme. And go. I wonder what that van does.
Meanwhile.
Hey kid, want some candy?
Okay, this guy. We maxed out this guy, right? We're so rich.
Why you always lying?
Let's go back to hobbies now. Two times production or cash, money.
Hello, I like money.
And let's go. Ooh, another one of these premium eggy things. It's less than before, but I love it. Oh, I'm so rich. I love it. It's great to be rich. Two times production for 2 minutes. No. Let's upgrade this guy. We can... What? That's so much profit. That's like 31 times profit. What? What? I'm still recording. Why say recording stopped?
Huh?
Okay. 1.9 million a second. 3 million. Okay, no, we'll pour again. Spin. Please be good. 2.35 billion. Just wow. Just a big wow. I don't know what else to say. I upgraded the wrong one. I'm so stupid. There we go. More money is what we like. We like more money. What? I'm surprised I'm getting this rich already. I mean, I only got 2 billion. Do I say dollars or do I say pounds? I say pounds. I only got 2 billion pounds in like 2 days. But now that's literally light work for me. Look at this. Look at this. 100 mil a second. This. Boom, boom. We go back to the hobbies. We go back. We can do it! We actually did it. For 3 minutes now. 10 new clubs win the Epic Hobby Award. That's great. And we get 14 billion right here. Boop. And then we also get this guy. Why did I pay for it? I have premium. So stupid. Alright, let's buy this guy again. We have 48 billion. Wait, what do we do? We go here. Please be good. 169 million a second. Funny number again. Wait, he's actually better than this guy. Nope.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
How much money can we get right now? I'm saying, what do I say? What do we say? 10 billion. 17. I'm too rich. I'm too rich, guys. I'm just too rich. Like, hello? I don't even have 2. How long? 49 seconds. That's so long though. Boop. We buy this guy. Ooh, I can't even afford it. That would have been like 37 billion right there. But no, I'm too poor. Whoa, 30 billion? Hello. And we run. Let's run. We run. We're too fat, so we run. And we buy this guy. Can we buy him? How much times? Boop. Do you think we can max him? Finally, he's maxed. 691 million. Oof. Hey guys, read the first 2 digits. Read nothing else. Just read the first 2 digits. It's just a great number. It's just a great number, isn't it? Let's spin. Come on, please be gems. I'm so poor in gems and you give me cash. 109 billion isn't bad though. That's actually a lot. Whoa, I'm rich. 1 billion a second. I'm so good. And that guy's maxed, so we max this guy, if we even can. And we spend money on him again. Da-na-na. What? I'm so rich. Give me money. What can we buy here? Do we just keep on maxing out this guy? Or that guy? This guy. We're so rich. We are so rich.
Why you always lying?
Come on. Oh, this guy. I love you. I love you. Okay. Let's keep on going. Oh, I got the egg output thing that I don't even know what it is. Get. Chicken profit times 2. I'm proud. I'm so proud of my chickens. How do we research? I remember researches. Here they are. We are so rich. And that one as well. No. Whoa, we're rich. Should we do it? No. Okay. How much eggs do we get right now? 100 billion. That's just great. I love it. I'm loving it. Whoa. We're so poor. We can barely buy this guy. This guy we can get to level 5. This guy we keep on trying to max out, but we really can't. We're so poor. 7. Finally we actually have some of those. Now we can buy these dumb guys. And even more, if we're so pleased. Okay, why wouldn't it close? We're so good. We're great. 1 billion a second, that's just great. That's great. I'm the greatest chicken guy in the world. I am the greatest, aren't I? Right, do we just keep this auto grinding for a bit? Yes. Never mind, I don't want to wait long, so we'll just claim at 200 billion. Boop, boop. Make me cash, boys. 220 billion. Money. Really? I'm well away from 25 and you do this to me. Really? Give me that money. Give me 61 billion, that's great. And now we run. And then we upgrade while we're running. 2 billion a second. Do we just keep it at that? Yes. 11 levels. I'm great. I didn't even have to run. Oh. 265 billion. Plus this. We are just too rich. Oh, and this. 500 billion? What am I talking about? 600 billion. Okay. Boop. We have a yellow chicken now. Look him. He's even wearing the queen hat. AG. Hold on, I need to go there. 6.2 AG. After upgrade, the profits will be increased many times. 6 AG. I'm assuming AG is after trillion. That is just I'm too poor for that. New production line at 5.6 trillion. Do you think there'll be another one like right here? Because then what do we do after? We just that's it. Like what do we do after? 572 billion. You max this guy again. Come on. Yes, we just had enough cash to do this. 63 times more. Alright. 654 billion. It's not really super cash, but it's a lot of cash. 17 levels so far. Hash pick up a second. 8 billion. 500 billion to claim right now. So let's claim it. Alright, let's just max this guy out, and then that's the end of the video. Max. We can't even max him. Let's collect it. 1 level away. Come on. And now go do your thing, Van. Okay, come on. Can we like... Yeah, there we go. 10 billion a second. Wow. I'm just too rich. Anyways guys, I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.